What's up guys, it's Nick Gamer and here now, watch again, this is Gamer and a quick one. And watch part 1 of this. Also, hit subscribe button, hit the like, subscribe and turn notifications. And tell your friend to do this because it will be a huge help. More and more videos like this one. So let's go. This one. There's one zip right here. One. Get out. Bye-bye. Kill 2. Keep your eye on it. What's so important, but I need your help. If you hit 100 subs, I will release my own face. So, back to the video. Yeah, boy. Oh, yes. Thanks. Boom. Shot it. One hit and one back. Goodbye. Bro. What body shot? Head. Just head. Headshot, boy. Headshot. Head go. That's a little boy. That's a little boy. Bruh. Oh, that's so crocodile. There's always been really crocodiles love this. Actually, punks, legs. Oh no, not legs. It's very disgusting. They're fresh. I think there's some. Wait, these are springs. So they're fresh. The last crocodile alive. Where are you? You're there. Bro, I was with it. Die. What? Yes, boy. So have 3 ones, I'm gonna end the game. 0 heads. Oh no, the America boy. It's a boy. It's a boy. Or buffalo. Okay. Okay. Ooh, ouch. 1 headshot. Headshot, boy. Oh, headshot. That's okay. Another headshot, boys. Hit him on the body. Try. No, headshot, bro. In the stomach. Exactly this people. Okay. So make sure to subscribe, man. Yeah, subscribe. So, subscribe. What's my other? Where's the subscribe? Buffalo is very hard. He's very near here. He's here. He's here. Headshot, boy. This is gonna be a headshot. This is gonna be a headshot. This headshot, boy. Yes. 4 in the body. Why not in the head, bruh? Bye, guys. Hope you subscribe.